So how do you prepare yourself to be a day trader? Simple. Simple, not easy. How you prepare yourself to be a trader? Day trader is simple. Day trading is simple, but it's not easy. I can tell you that. It is simple, not easy. Let's talk about it. Day trader must do a few things. Number one, you need to understand the market conditions. What kind of market are you in? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I'll give you an example. Before COVID-19, the market had the longest bullish trend in history. From 2009, from March 2009 to March 2022, 13 years, that market was just growing non-stop like a train. Did not go much left or right. It just went straight up 45 degrees. What happened was coronavirus hit or COVID-19 hit. It went into bearish market. Bearish means downward. It's going downward, right? But it did not stay bearish for a while. It actually reversed once the government starts giving out all these stimulus checks. It reversed in a V-like thing and went double from what it was before coronavirus, before COVID-19. It went bullish, extremely bullish. What's the market conditions right now? Since you know the Fed are trying to curb inflation, bring the market down a little bit, so things kind of cool down because it went out of whack. So what they do is they pull in the money out. They pull in all these dollars, trying to pull it back, or some of it at least. So what's happening is the market's on a steady decline. At this time, the market is about 35% below the high of COVID-19 time. So at this time, it's safe to say we're in a bearish market. So how do you actually benefit from all of these ups and downs? Because what a day trader is looking for is volatility. You're looking for the ups and downs. Investors not looking for that. Investors looking for just a steady up. Like somebody started investing in 2009 and pulled his money in 2021. This guy is super happy because it was just a steady, smooth incline. A day trader does not want that. There's no money to be made in a smooth market. A day trader wants the volatility, wants the stock to shoot up and shoot down. And that's exactly the perfect time for it to be a day trader. So let's look at that graph for a second. You look at this graph and you'll see the price is going up right here, steady, and suddenly starts pulling up. What do? Yeah, you buy. You buy here at the beginning of the day, and as soon as it starts to come down and you see right here the curve, it's time to sell. So you benefit from this, the difference between this one and this one. And it becomes a game of zeros. For example, if you buy one share for $20 and you sell it for $21, you'll be making $1. What if you buy 100 shares for $20 and sell it for $21? You'll be making $100. What if you buy 1,000 shares for $20 and sell it for $21? You'll make $1,000. You see, the difference between a small account and large account is just nothing but the P&L. You're risking $1, you're getting $2. You're risking $100, you're getting $200. It becomes a game of zeros. So when you build up yourself to start actually trading 10,000 shares, you're going to be doing the same thing. That's where consistency comes from. You're going to be buying the same stock at the same price and selling it at the same price, but you'll be making $10,000 a day. That's where consistency comes from. If you can do it at $1, you can do it at $10,000. You can do it at $100,000. You can do it at $1 million. The zeros do not matter. The action is the same. The P&L is different. So what does that tell you? You develop a trading strategy that will fit your account size. So if your account small, you start with 100 shares. If your account is large, you can do 10,000 shares. So you have to have that trading strategy built on your psychological makeup, your trading account size, as well as your risk tolerance. Because a guy that has $10,000 in the account may not want to risk $100, and we have seen it a lot. It depends on your psychological makeup, risk tolerance, and your account size. We will help you. We will help you actually identify these things, and will help you build up your trading plan. How you build a trading plan? A trading plan has to fit, like we said, we need to understand where you're at in that day trading journey, and we'll help you out build up that trading plan based on what you're looking for. A lot of people, if you are serious about this and you really want to make some money, a lot of people, they set up a demo account. This way, when you start looking at this, when you start building your trading strategies, you are not just wasting your time, because there is that learning period or learning curve time where you start going to lose money. What's going to happen is your actual profits in the losing trades, because the losing trades teach you lessons. So your equity curve is going to start doing like this, going to start doing like this. They're going to start doing the boom and bust, boom and bust, boom and bust, and then they're going to start going up, just like the stock. You in your day trading journey, you're going to be a consistent loser for a while, and you're going to learn these lessons. Then you're going to be able to kind of go into like a 50-50, which is a boom and bust. And then after that, you will actually, all these lessons will come together and everything is going to click, and you're going to start making money. So realistically speaking, a demo account helps you out if you are very serious about it. Profit goals. I cannot tell you how many people, they start their trade and they buy here and it goes up, and they don't want to sell because all they heard is a tweet from Elon Musk saying things are going to go to the moon, whatever that means, and it goes up even more than what they were hoping for. They should have sold here. It goes even more than what they were hoping for, and they still don't secure their profits. They don't book their profits, and boom, comes right down. What they do is, oh, it's gonna go up, then it goes back down, then it goes back down. It never comes back up to even break even. And if you're an options trader, you probably lost all of your account in that. Just be careful. So understand that you have to secure profit goals. Not every dollar in the market, or not every winning trade is your winning trade. So let's say you buy at $20 and your profit, you risk a dollar. So you buy here and you say I'm not gonna lose more than $1. So it's right here. It's a fixed stop, fixed risk tolerance right here, and you're gonna secure $2 for that risk of a dollar. So you want to sell at 22. So it goes to 22, you need to sell it. It goes to 23, you definitely need to sell it, because you never know what's going to happen. What if after you sell it, what happens is this is the funny part. A lot of people, they actually comes to the 23 and they sell and they secure those $3 per share, and it continues to go up, continues to go up, continues to go up. It will be one of those days it just never stops. And he would be here like, oh my God, why did I sell for $300? I could have made $3,000. Where was my mind? Yes, these scenarios happen once a year. You know, it'll never happen every day. If you're serious about day trading, you're trying to pull money every single day like an ATM machine, you need to play the high probabilities game, not the exception. High probabilities saying if you risk a dollar, you will get $2 or $3, not $3,000. So be realistic about your profit goals. And then we gonna help you create a trading checklist and a trading plan. Creating a checklist is just like a pilot. A piece of paper in the front of you, you check what is your entry, what's your exit, what's your profit objective. Everything is already decided before you even enter that position or open your position. And we're going to provide you with that. We'll help you out with that. So just make sure you have a trading checklist, you have a trading plan, and you follow that. And that's how you prepare yourself to be a profitable, consistently profitable day trader. Now, profitable and consistently are completely different things. Anybody profits in the market. That's where that's why the market keep pulling more people, because most of the times if you go into the market and your first trade is the winning trade, you're going to be addicted to it. It cannot be any simpler than that. But day trading is actually a complicated process if you're trying to make it, a career that you can pull money out of the market every single day. And when you lose your losing days, simple losing days. Winning days are 10 times as much as losing days. That's how you become a profitable consistently.